Hey everyone, Josh Hooley here with Forest River Salem Hemisphere. Here today to talk to you about our fifth wheel bedrooms. I'm going to start at the front here and show you our walk-in wardrobe here with a full washer dryer prep. And notice this is enough room for stackable washer and dryer, so you're not going to have to worry about using an all-in-one. You're going to have a lot more efficient experience when you're doing laundry on the road. Now moving kind of back here, you'll notice this header here is actually curved. That's because this is a barreled ceiling, full length on this unit, and this gives you 6.5 foot clearance here in the center of the unit. Now, if we keep moving back, we'll notice here on the floor a new for 2023 feature. This is linoleum all the way up to your wardrobe. So this is officially a carpetless unit. Anywhere that you're going to have people walk in, you're not going to have carpet anymore. So we're really excited about that feature for 2023 Salem Hemisphere Fifth Wheels.